G'day guys, and welcome to another monthly market update. My name is Peter Clark and we're filming here today in Melbourne. We're down here for a couple of reasons. Very shortly we're going to catch up with the Melbourne office. We're going to introduce you to the team here at InterNext RE. The guys here are going to talk to you about some of their properties that they've got coming on the market and the ins and outs of the CBD property market. We're going to take a look at some of the stats that have occurred this last month, and we also want to talk to you about something really close to my heart, and that is Beat the Blues Gippsland. So we've got a lot to talk about. Let's get into it. So let's take a look at some stats for the month. Now, June from a listing point of view was a little bit quieter, but that was to be expected. After coming off a record month in May and with the first home buyers grant not kicking in until now in July, we did expect June to be just a little bit softer. That said, there was still some incredible results. You see, our team delivered 35 unconditional sales, and what was really impressive was the average days on market at an average of just 36 days to market. The rental team were again battered with applications. The team conducted 122 inspections. They fielded 57 applications for a total of 22 lettings. So it goes to show the investment market around Warragul and Drouin is still moving along at an alarming rate. So let's kick off the City Edition by introducing you to some of the team here at InterNext RE. InterNext RE is located right in the heart of Melbourne, and we're literally only a stone's throw from the Albert Park Lake here. I'm joined now by Joe Simoneau, who's the Managing Director of InterNext RE. Joe, thank you for having us here today. Why don't you tell us a little bit about the market conditions here in Melbourne and maybe about your office?
Thanks Pete, and welcome to Melbourne. Here at InterNext RE, we specialise in the leasing and selling of inner city apartments. The apartment market is very different to the traditional house and land real estate. Over recent years, the Melbourne metropolitan market has seen some terrific gains in capital growth. However, in the apartment market, we haven't seen the great growth in gain, but we've seen some terrific yields. That's what's made it extremely attractive for the investors to come and buy apartments here in the inner city. There's an apartment in the city for everyone, whether your kids are going to uni, or you're looking for an investment property, weekender, or you're just buying property for your super fund. The opportunities are endless.
So I'm also joined today by Director Anthony Simoneau. Anthony, welcome. You've got some incredible properties on the market down here at the moment. Why don't you give us a bit of an overview of some of those?
Thanks Pete. As you know, we always love having you down here in Melbourne. Just the other week, Pete referred us a client who's had a 2-bedroom apartment in the Art Precinct in Melbourne. We're able to sell this apartment for the client before even the first open for inspection took place. We've got 2 other properties I'd love to share with you today. We've got a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom and a car space located in Cavenagh Street in South Bank. This apartment is perfect for first home buyers looking to break into the market. The other apartment we've got is located on Albert Road in Melbourne. It's got stunning views of Albert Park Lake all the way to the bay. For these 2 properties or any other properties we've got listed, feel free to jump on our website or give us a call.
Now finally, we want to give a big shout out to the Beat the Blues Gippsland team. ClarkNext RE are an incredibly proud sponsor of this amazing team of runners. They get together every year to run at Run Melbourne, which will be happening on the 30th of July again this year. Beyond Blue is an amazing charity that supports people with mental illness. Over 3 million Australians currently live with either anxiety or depression, and it's something that reaches many of our lives. So guys, if you want to support, there's still plenty of time to register. Just jump onto our Facebook page, Beat the Blues Gippsland, or contact our office for further details. We'd love to have you involved, and we'd love to see you there. So that's it today from Victoria's capital city here in Melbourne. I do want to thank the team at InterNext RE, particularly Joe and Anthony, for hosting us here today. Next month, we'll be back in Gippsland bringing you all your real estate news. So until next time, ciao.